Then we're going to put the next one in. Now, I know you said we don't see it. It's okay. Don't worry about that right now. Just enter it. Trust me, it's in there. Go to equation 2, 1 for the line, 3 for standard form. Here is 10 cents, okay? And here is 25 cents, and then it's $3.15. Enter, okay? You say I don't see anything. That's fine. Go to menu, bam, this is grid line, menu, go to window setting, enter, do the same thing, -1, down, 25, 1, -1, 25, 1, that look like I put in a decimal, 25, equals enter. There you go. See, that's why I said don't be concerned about it. We better get it. So you see the red is the second equation, and the blue is the first. And I'm just putting that there so that we can know what equation is what. Okay? So here we go. Okay? So let's go ahead and put the information. Let me do this just in case you didn't see it while I was talking. You get a chance to copy it down. Remember, you can rewind and listen to what I was saying about it. Okay? It's a video. So here we go. So let's go ahead and sketch this. Trace and graph trace. Okay? So move it. It's on the blue first. I should have went to the, let me go down here to the x-intercept. Now I'm looking for the word 0 to pop up. 0 popped up, 21 is 0, so I'm put a dot on 21. Okay, I almost want to pop over there, but go ahead to the y-intercept. Come on, y-intercept. It seems like it's going so slow. Uh-oh, look, I put past. Be patient. 0, 21, so it's here. So I sketch it. So I connect the 2 points. Ooh. I sort of got off a little, but that's fine. Okay, that's going to be my blue line. So you go ahead and you sketch the color here. I'm doing that to help me. Okay, so we have the blue one. Okay, that's a negative slope. Okay, here we go. It's so much I can ask you about the slope, which one had the steepest, which one is the best. It's a lot you can ask about these different things. So let's see, can I hop to the next one? You saw that? I wanted to trace this. Instead of going to menu, I just press the down key. If I press the up, it goes back to the blue. I want it to be on the red line. And when I jumped on the red line, it gave me the y-intercept, which is 0 and $12.60. So here, $12.60, that's 13, so it's probably approximately there. Okay, so now let me go to my x-intercept. You probably say, oh man, it was a decimal. That's fine, it doesn't matter. And if I want to, I can just get the intersection there, but I want to show you using the intercepts is really good. So basically this y-intercept telling me if I have 0 dimes and I can have $12 and 6 cents. That's the number, that's not the amount. So that was $12.60. My fault, guys. That does not represent $12.60. That is not a part of the solution because you cannot have a partial amount of coins or partial amount of dimes, you know. Let me see. There we go, 0. So 31 and 5 tenths. And 0? Oh, that's off the chart. So 31 and 5 tenths. So it's not on here. Okay, so what can I go to? Let me find one. Let me find. Look for. I want something that doesn't have a decimal. Oh, 24.3. 24.3. So I'm going to 24.3. You see, I didn't get frustrated. I'm just showing y'all this is how you do things in real life. Okay, so now I have my 2 points that I'm going to use. 24 and 3 and that 12 and 6 tenths. I'm just showing y'all how to do it. There you go. And that's my red line. And let's go ahead and find that intersection. And since we're talking about number of coins, we're not going to have any decimal because it's the number of. Okay? And if we talk about the money amount, that'll be different. So it's right here, but I think I'm off some. So it's up in here somewhere. So is it really 16? 16? 6? I'm gonna put it there, but I'm not for sure because I'm off a little. So what am I gonna do to make sure? Go to menu, and I'm gonna go to analyze graph, and I'm gonna go to a 4 intersection. And it told me to go to the lower bound, so that means go to the left of the intersection, press enter, then go to the right until it says intersection. And it says intersection, and I can't. It says 14.7. How did I get off that far? Oh, my graph is horrible then. My graph is horrible. It's 14.7 for the intersection. So that means that when I sketch that, that's up too high or whatever. So it's supposed to be 14.7. 14.7. It should have intersected right here. So maybe my blue is off. Yeah, I didn't go through that right. You see that? And that's fine because then what you probably say, what would you do? I sketch it to go back through that. I'm like, oh man. Look, I was off right in here. Because if I came through there good, it should be right here. Okay? Which is fine. You just fix it. That's what you do. And that's what happened when you can't see good. Okay? So here's my intersection. Okay? So it's going to be 14.7. You probably, is it another way to check? Yes, darling. What's 14 plus 7? 14 plus 7? 21. Very good. Then you could do 10 cents times 14. That'll be $1.40. Plus 25 cents times 7. Think about it. You got 7 quarters. 7 quarters. That's 7, right? 4 is $1. 4 is $1. Then you got 3 left. That right there is $1.75. And you add those up and you should get $3.15. Okay? So we got it. So we know we're going to have, he has 14 dimes. Jacob has 14 dimes and 7 quarters in his pocket. You can write that as a complete sentence. Jacob has 14 dimes and 7 quarters. Okay? So here we go. So, in all these discrete things, they're discrete functions, and we're connected, and we shouldn't be connecting them. Here we go. Here, I'm going to set it up, but then you can graph it in class on your own, okay? So, or I'm going to help you to partially set it up. So I'm going to say let x equals, let y equals. Javita and Amanda were comparing the number of video games they own, okay? I gotta be careful about that because it's telling me about 2 different people. Javita has 6 more videos. Okay, so I don't really have to go back to this. Javita has